Hello, my name is Gary, and I was raised in the Western United States, so I'm a native English speaker. I hope that you will enjoy this YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us.
When I was younger and cuter than I am today, school taught me that all plants had stems, leaves, and roots. But school, was wrong. Meet Hydnora africana, a supremely strange plant native to southern Africa. It doesn't have a stem or leaves. Instead, it's entirely made up of one big fleshy flower and roots. And that's all it needs, because Hydnora africana is a parasite. It survives by binding its roots to other plants, sponging nutrients from them. So, it doesn't need leaves to convert sunlight into energy. It just steals the energy of others. This parasitic relationship allows Hydnora africana to thrive in the arid and semi-arid environments of southern Africa, where other plants may struggle to survive. Its underground existence is a remarkable adaptation to these harsh conditions. The plant remains mostly buried, with only its flower emerging above the soil surface when it is ready to reproduce. The flower of Hydnora africana is perhaps its most striking feature. It has a fleshy, tubular structure that can grow up to 10 centimeters long. The flower is typically a reddish-brown color and emits a strong odor reminiscent of decaying organic matter. This foul smell serves a crucial purpose to the plant's reproductive strategy by attracting pollinators. But if you think that's freaky, there's more. The flower has that weird mouth-like structure for a very specific reason: to ensnare unsuspecting bugs. This is perfect for the plant, not because it wants to eat the insect, but because the insect gets absolutely covered in its pollen. A couple of days later, the flower opens up, and the insect is released to fly off and spread its pollen to other flowers in the area, pollinating them. Once pollination is successful, the flower develops into a fruit containing numerous seeds. These fruits are consumed by animals such as jackals, which aid in seed dispersal. The seeds pass through the animal's digestive system and are deposited in new locations, where they can germinate and establish new parasitic relationships with host plants. Exercise 1. True or false? Read the statements and indicate whether they are true or false. Hydnora africana has stems and leaves. False. Hydnora africana is a parasitic plant. True. The flower of Hydnora africana can grow up to 10 centimeters long. True. Hydnora africana performs photosynthesis to obtain energy. False. The plant attracts pollinators with a pleasant fragrance. False. The flower traps insects to consume them. False. Animals help in dispersing Hydnora africana seeds. True. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. Hydnora africana is a native to southern Africa. The plant survives by attaching its roots to other plants. The flower emits an odor reminiscent of decaying organic matter. Hydnora africana remains mostly underground. The flower's mouth-like structure traps insects. After a few days, the flower releases the insect. The seeds are dispersed by animals.